Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel IRS Originals. So today let's talk about the construction status of Prestige City Sarjapur, which is one of the renowned constructions happening in Sarjapur area. So today I'm here to show you the latest construction status of Aspen Green Villas, Avalon Park apartments, and then we have the phase of Eden Park, Meridian Park, and finally Aston Park, and then Great Acres. So let's first look at the construction status of Aspen Green Villas. The good news is that most of the villas are almost ready for possession, and handovers are expected to begin in the last week of January. However, a few villas are still under construction, and it will take a bit more time to complete. While the villas are beautifully designed, one aspect is to note is that they feature common walls, which may not appeal to everyone. You may also observe these in the video that I am showing right now. Overall, Aspen Green Villas offer a luxurious living experience, and if you are looking to move in soon, this is an exciting phase to watch out for. Let's now look at the construction status of Avalon Park in Prestige City Sarjapur. While the promised delivery date is 25th February for this phase of the construction, there is still a lot of work pending across the project. Tower 1 is fully completed is what I heard from few of the people that I met on the site, but Tower 4 and a few others are far from ready. So that means we can literally expect a lot of delay in terms of handover from Prestige. Additionally, there is still a lot of work pending in the parking areas, it seems, which might further delay handovers. From what I heard, the Prestige team has asked L&T to ensure Avalon Park is ready for owners' visits by March at least. At this pace, it seems unlikely that the original delivery timeline will be met. So let's hope for faster progress in the coming months. Share your thoughts and experiences as far as Avalon Park is concerned in the comments below. Next up, we have Eden Park in the Prestige City. The delivery for Eden Park has been promised by Prestige for the month of May 2025, but based on the current progress, it seems practically impossible to meet this timeline. There is still significant construction work left, and unless there is a major acceleration in the pace, delays are quite inevitable. I will try to keep an eye on the progress and share updates as they come. Let me know if you have any insights or questions in the comment section below. At the current moment, if you can see, there is a lot of construction material that is lying on the roads, and especially if you see L&T has constructed a lot of stores here to store the inventory for the construction purpose. Next up, we have Meridian Park. There is a lot of work happening at the site with respect to Meridian Park as well. It is one of the largest phases in Prestige Sarjapur in terms of inventory. Unfortunately, the project seems to be facing significant delays as of now, and it doesn't look like it will be delivered anytime soon. With the current pace of work, at least it's clear that this phase will take more time to be ready for a handover. I will try to continue to monitor the progress and provide updates. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.